The legend of extend him legacy and him there for reason with about it right now. Father Reid, what going on, brother?
Blessed love family.
That I go and introduce you to the extended family now.
Tall up the talented ones. So we rise up the tall up and Big Mo. You know, you have Jojo blood, you have Water blood, and you understand young GR. You understand you had hard for dealing.
Alright.
The label are going with a bag of thing, man. You take production to another level right now.
Yeah, definitely. You know, so well, a long time in a production, because you don't know how we started. You understand me? Because a lot of people don't know, say, Juinor Reid responsible for this song like One Blood, and me produce One Blood.
So you were actually the producer for the song,
Yeah,
too?
I'm the producer for One Blood. I'm the producer for Listen to the Voices, Mashing Up the Earth.
So one of them big history book songs that...
Fruits, right? And me produce Rapper Pam Pam.
Are you produce them songs, too?
Yeah, me produce all of them songs there.
In a them time there, how your mindset was, did a pre-production from even at them time there?
Well, it's a true music go to a lot of producers and try to get on, and them have me go round. You understand me? So we just start, you know, getting look at one rhythm, go in the studio, look at one beat, and take it in the studio, and just get it out there and promote it. Just by doing the work myself, but you know, a kid have to have him ties, and my ties like at the studio equipment and all them things.
Yeah.
So you know, have to be a happy kids, I have to get my ties, because I can happy, so just get the studio board and get my thing at the start, make play music. All of them music, all fruits right.
Fast forward now, last production we put out is actually a hardcore dancehall rhythm.
Yeah, hardcore dancehall. And the reason why we go for the hardcore dancehall style, because I say, well, and this is enough for the youths every day.
On the runway, touch down the jet. On the runway, lift up the jet.
Before we even start talking about your particular song, we can talk to some of your artists, them Big Mo.
Yeah, you don't know a Big Mo, you see it, and don't know I represent the One Blood family, JR Production, same way. And my style of music is just a collaboration, you know what I mean? Dancehall, hip hop, reggae. Basically, we cover everything.
Talk to me about your song on the Money Jet rhythm.
The track is titled Money Spree, you see it, and right now it's going good in the weekly events.
I'm just proud of how my artists have really, you know, a move right now, and the support we are getting locally and internationally. All FM, the street FM.
Talk to me now. You're a full-fledged artist now.
Not only an artist, a creator.
I see a performer get a splash out there. I see you do something I never seen in my life. I see you go up on your head top and a DJ, same way. How you do that?
Well, that is just a part of it. We don't know.
A real star.
Yeah, that is a part of the app.
Father Reid, you tell her to go out with them bag of something.
If you have style and you know the whole thing, so you know, just like it, because it's different, it's new, because we have to always bring something new to the table, you understand?
If it's different.
That's just one. You can't eat rice every day, you understand?
Talk to me a little bit more now. Tell me about the song where you have on the Money Jet rhythm.
Well, my song is, the title of my song is Strong Back. You know, so the one day for the Monday mainly, because everybody is sing song nowadays and behave like so they want to go around the Monday. Well, no, I am a person, I'm connected and attracted to me. So I have to big up my meal and make them know, say, eat the right things, straighten down yourself and make sure, say, perform at the bed, because that is so important also, right?
Yo.
Yeah.
Shati. Alright, Father, you talk to me about your song now, because we know you as the man. We have some classic history book song, One Blood, all of these things, and you know what I mean, now you have a dancing song on a dancehall rhythm. People might wonder how you reach this, so talk to me about that.
Well, how I reach this, because me is a man of the street, you understand me? And the first you know, the first motivation that I really get, you know, on my first release is to see people dance to my song when I sing. So when I see people dance to my song, and that make me feel good. I have to dance to and make people feel good.
Yes.
So at the end of the day, I have fans in a classic style, international style, and dancehall is still classic as well. You understand me? So if a song can't dance and everything there, you know, it's like it's still short or something.
Turbulence. Cruise control.
What is your secret for longevity there?
You have to rock him when I'm at 10, and then rock him over when I'm next 10 to see him here. So him at 20, him grow with you.
So you have to keep on evolve with the time.
Yeah, and then
Alright, tell me now, you have the Money Jet rhythm out right now. What we can look forward to next from the label?
well, from the label, we have a rhythm, you know, I have a song named Blue Light, Red Light.
So you know do the medley video for your project? Or you know do the video
Yeah,
then?
man, the video I shoot right now and them thing for the money jet rhythm.
Okay.
You understand me? But we have
I will see I do the stage show them wicked too.
yeah, man, we have the stage show wicked man. We have a rhythm that come out on the pilot, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? Because the jet can't fly without the pilot.
Ah.
You understand me? Likewise, we have a rhythm named Blue Light, Red Light.
Yeah.
That show the youth them say blue light, red light. You know, feds and undercover. You know, you have to know when you're in danger. You can't trust a stranger. Something like them kind of message.
Yeah.
Tell you them. But that are for 2020. You
Yeah.
understand me?
20 plenty.
Yeah, but enough thing in the making. I know it's something we have to just leave as a surprise.
That I go on. Here I go on. Lastly, I want to wrap up and more Talib tell me what make she so intense. More Big Mo tell me what make him intense. And more you tell me what makes Money Jet Rhythm intense. Talib, I could start with you.
Well, intense. What makes me so intense is my energy, right? Whatever me have to bring, me do it from my heart and my soul. And you can
And
feel
from your
it.
head top.
Yeah, the heart, my soul, my head top, my eyelash, everything stays. Me do it from that. So that's what makes me so intense. That's my love, what I have for what I do and for the people out there that support me. That makes me intense.
Big up.
Well, you don't know, for me, I'm my genuineness, because you don't know, you have to keep it real in everything where I do.
Yeah.
Keep it real with the people I'm around with, keep it real in the music, you have to keep it real with yourself. You see me? And
That
I
I go on.
So we do it, one blood
Keep it
family. you
intense.
see.
Bless up, brother. Father Reid, what makes Money Jet Rhythm so intense?
Because of the baddest rhythm in the street right now. You understand me?
Yeah.
Yeah, right now we have a jet competition. You know, anybody can do the jet dance.
But well, Father, you know we're going to end the interview here because I see you do it a dance. I'm take the microphone and find it. Hold on. Oh, go, Talib. Oh, go. Sure. Jet. Yo! Let's get a jet on them. Jet, that I go on.